This list of 5 kitchen gadgets isn't ranked in any particular order, and each one is designed to optimize space in your kitchen without compromising functionality. We'll explore how these tools can help you maximize your cooking area, whether you have a small apartment or a cramped kitchen. All links to the products mentioned here can be found in the description below. Number 1. Collapsible Cutting Board. Tired of juggling multiple cutting boards in a small kitchen? A collapsible cutting board offers a space-saving solution. These boards fold down to a compact size, making them easy to store in a drawer or cupboard. When you need to use them, simply unfold them to create a full-sized cutting surface. Number 2. Magnetic Knife Rack. Cluttered countertops can make a small kitchen feel even smaller. A magnetic knife rack provides a convenient and space-saving way to store your knives. Simply mount the rack on your wall or refrigerator and attach your knives to the magnets. This will free up counter space and keep your knives easily accessible. Number 3. Stackable Storage Bins. If you have limited cupboard space, stackable bins can help you maximize your storage capacity. These bins are designed to fit snugly together, allowing you to store more items in a smaller space. Whether you're storing dry goods, snacks, or leftovers, stackable storage bins are a must-have for small kitchens. Number 4. Over-the-sink Drying Rack. Drying dishes can take up valuable counter space. An over-the-sink drying rack offers a space-saving solution. These racks fit over your sink, providing a convenient place to dry dishes without taking up counter space. Some models also include a cutting board or utensil holder, further optimizing your kitchen space. Number 5. Vertical Spice Rack. A cluttered spice rack can make your kitchen look disorganized and chaotic. A vertical spice rack offers a space-saving and visually appealing way to store your spices. These racks can be mounted on your wall or placed on your countertop, providing easy access to your spices without taking up too much space. But what if you could also save money while you cook? In our next video, we'll explore 5 kitchen gadgets that will save you money.